Hey everybody, Augie at Switchback Trading. I'm going to run you through another example of the Switchback Trading model on the NQ Futures. So if you're a beginner trader and you want to learn a scalping model that repeats, it's repeatable, happens over and over again, then you want to watch this video. So the NQ Futures market made a move, huge downtrend. Trending down. And what you want to do is you want to look for a high and a low, okay? Going sideways, and there. Okay, so that's what we're dealing with. So from this high to this low, that's a nice move, right? Okay. Put the measurement tool on it. That's the fib retracement tool, and you put in the measurements as 0%, 25%, 50, 75, and 100%. And all you're doing is you're retracing a move, okay? So when the move happens, you just keep bringing the fib retracement tool down, right? Okay, so this is not a big enough range, right? You want a move. When you see a move, you'll see it. It's a move, right? Like here, boom, 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 straight down. And what did it touch? This green dashed line. That's a former previous New York close. Okay, so that's a move. That's what you want to look for. Something within that range. Okay, and that's from the 428 up to the 459, 460. So 30-point range, right? Perfect for intraday scalp. And it's at the New York close. Okay, so there it is. You put the levels on and then you wait. What are we waiting for? Waiting to see what price does. Now this happens a lot. Price likes to do twice. It's like a double tap. When it's coming down for low or for a high, 2 taps. So at least 2 taps. So something to be aware of, right? And that's what it did here. It made the initial low, came up to the 25%, and then came back down. Okay. So if you were to wait for it to stabilize a bit and you get in at the 25% here, ideally you want to enter after it closes above this EMA. Okay, why? Because that's confirmation that it's just not a wick up. A candle close above that EMA while also being above the 25% retracement level. Okay, that's your entry criteria. It's simple. 25% retracement level, it needs to be at that level or above, and a close above the 34 EMA. The EMA can sometimes be below, but it needs to close above it. So that's critical. And then your first TP, which is your take profit level, is the 50% retracement. Okay, so that's from the 436 up to 444. That's 8 points. That's a beautiful little scalp for your first take profit. 8 points. It's one contract. That's $240. Okay, nice. That's nice. That's great. And then your TP2, which is the 75% retracement. Here, that got hit. But look, it's also another New York close. Okay, so that's definitely a place I would book profit. In fact, I'd take it all off. Why? Because now this is a chop zone. Okay, it's going to consolidate around that area, and really it could go up, it could go down. However, if you held your position and you had a runner, you would have got stopped out for break even, because it did come back from the 75. It came all the way back to past the 50, past the 25. So we never let a positive trade turn negative. So as soon as it hit TP2 at the 75% retracement level, then you stops at break even. Okay, stops at break even. Protect your profits. Why you want to give it back? Don't give it back. It's yours. You got it. You got it. You got it. They don't have it. You got it. Keep it. Fucking keep it. Okay, so stops to break even. TP2 was hit. And if it shoots straight up to TP3, great. Lovely. In this case, it retraced all the way back down to TP, to the entry, to where you got in at the 25% retracement. And then it shot all the way up to TP3. So that's, you know, I wouldn't want to sit through that. I like booking my profits and get out. Okay, but if you did, you know, then you would have had to hold your stop at the original position. And that's because that's a pretty good pullback, you know. But yeah, so TP3 was hit, and TP4, which we don't have, it's when you leave a runner in. So if you had a 4 contract position or if your contract size was multiples of 4, then you could do this, you know. Take your first TP at the 50%, then at the 75, then at the 100, and then the 4th contract's a runner. It didn't run on this occasion, as you can see. It's chopping while it's starting to trend down, possibly. But you did capture the 25 to the 75%, and that, ladies and gentlemen, that's all you need. That's retirement. Okay, let me show you this. You don't need to be in the market all day long for hours and hours. Okay, from the 25% retracement level, your entry, all right, 436. Okay, all the way up to TP2. Okay, that's your trade right there. Whoop. From the 25 to the 75%, and the 75% level is 51, right? So that's 46, 15 points. Sorry, I'm pretty fucking stoned right now. I ate a bunch of fucking gummies. Math. 15 points, right? 36 to the 51. There's 46 is 10. Yeah, no, 46 is, yeah, 15 points. Okay, so you got 15 points. 15 point scalp. That's lovely. That's lovely. Do you know why that's lovely? 15 points times $40 a point is $600. So in that trade, if you had one NQ mini on full size, that's $600 profit. Okay, so the NQ is $40 a point per contract. But you can do account copying with many of the prop firms. So Topstep, you get 5 accounts. Apex, you get 20. And Myfunded Futures is 3, I believe. So let's say you got 3 accounts. 5, okay? So you got 5 funded accounts. You just made 600 in all of them. That's $3,000 for the day. For how many minutes of work? So got in at 3:03, out at 3:09. So that's 6 minutes. 6 minutes. I repeat, 6 minutes. 6 minutes of work, and you just made $600 per account, and you have 5 accounts. You just, that's $3 grand, $3,000 for 6 minutes. Do you see what I mean? Do you need to sit at the computer all day and trade? I mean, you just made three grand for 6 minutes. You just made $3 grand. If you were copy trading 20 accounts across Apex, well, now you just made 12 grand. Done for the day. Fucking hope so. Anyways, okay, so that's Augie at Switchback Trading. And if you have any questions, you can ask. But yeah, that's the Switchback Trading model, SBT model, for scalping futures. Okay, like and subscribe. I don't know if you liked it. Maybe I'm teaching you something here, right? You're learning. Okay, till the next one. Laters.